Alright, so this is the beginning of the snowstorm on February 1st, 2011. It's just about to start. You can barely see down the street. It's not that good. I would say roughly inch of snow right now, but I'll show you what it is by 6 o'clock. Right now it's about 3 o'clock, so I'll show you in 3 hours what it's about. Alright, I'm about to show you the backyard around the same time. I don't know if you can see it, but there is a lot of snow. Well, snow flying around. You know, it's not that much. Alright, so here we are 2 hours later. It's gotten pretty dark out, but we can still see. Snow, I would say another inch, 2 inches. Still good to walk on. Not that bad. But something that my dad pointed out, he said that the weather storm, the actual full storm, was going from the southwest to the northeast, and the wind in our backyard is going in the completely opposite direction. We looked it up, we know it's going in the opposite direction, and it's just really weird. Can anyone explain that to me? Yeah, here, I'll show you guys the backyard. Alright, so we're in the backyard. Wind chime was going crazy. Yeah, and it was blowing that way, but northeast is that way. I don't know what's going on. Alright, so the snow, it's about 8:30 right now. The snow has greatly increased. The street light is going on and off. It's barely, you cannot see the other side of the cul-de-sac. It's crazy. The snow has gotten a lot more. I would say a good 4 or 5 inches right now. It's crazy. Again, that's 8:30, so in the past 2 hours it's snowed 3 inches. It's crazy. Just insane. Cars are still clean, which is surprising. Haven't driven them since 3 o'clock. It's just crazy. Alright, it's pretty cold, so I'm actually going to turn on the light to show you that it's kind of windy outside. You know, can't really see my fire pit. Can't see across the yard. What's weird is that it's collecting everywhere but on the deck railing, which is really weird. But again, like a good 4 to 5, maybe even 6 inches right now. It's crazy. I think it's been 4 hours so far. So 4 or 5 hours. I'm not sure. But it's pretty windy outside. Turn the lights off. That's awesome. Oh my god. Alright. So, once again, I cannot see down the street. You can barely see the cul-de-sac. Cannot see past the turn on the cul-de-sac. Snow, now about, I would say, good 10 inches right now. Yeah, that's definitely a good 10 inches. It's up to the top point of my boot. And cars still aren't covered, which is really weird. So, yeah, it's 10 o'clock right now, or a little bit past 10. And I'm freezing. Earlier, like 5 minutes ago, I heard thunder, and I saw the lightning strike, which is really weird. Can anyone explain to me why there was thunder and lightning during a snowstorm? Because that was really weird. Once again, everything is just covered. I am freezing, and I'm going to show you the backyard. Alright, so this is about a half an hour later from the outside at 10 o'clock, so it's 10:30 now. The reason being, I just wanted to talk to my family about it, watch the news. There were some crazy people on the news. It was pretty funny, but here we go. Alright. Those footprints were from my dog. It went up to her elbows, and she's a chocolate lab, so you can do the math. That's probably the worst piss that any animal has ever had to take. This draft right here is up to my deck, and I would say that's a good 1.5 feet. So in draft, there's a 1.5 feet right by my deck. And even at the door, you can see just how much there is. You can't see the house beyond the tree. You can't really see anything out here. It's hell. Alright, so here's the last video for tonight. It's midnight exactly. Alright, so let's take a look. Alright, so the wind definitely sounds really weird. The snow is right at the level of the stoop. So, you know, it's down on that. Actually, no, it's not. It went over the stoop quite a bit. I would say a good foot right now. To add a foot. Can't see the front tire. Chair's not rocking anytime soon. Oh my god, that's cold. Can't see across the street. You can barely see the fire hydrant there. Just barely. That tree is as far as I can see. The second tree in this picture is farthest I can see. I can't see any further than that. And I would say that's a good, I don't know, 40, 50 feet away. It's crazy. It's crazy out here. I really don't like it. It's cold. I'm going back inside. Alright, very last time today, right after midnight, 30 seconds after I filmed the other one. So, here's the back. Midnight of February 2nd, 2011. It's, well, that's a lot of snow. It's well over a foot. I would say a good 15 inches where those weeds are coming out. Still snow quite big. Oh my god. The fire pit that we have, it's just peeking over it. And that fire pit is about 3 blocks, no, 4 blocks high, 2 inches, so that's 8 inches, about 8 inches high, and it's just grazing over the top of it. It's crazy. Still no snow on here, which is kind of weird, probably from all the wind it's blowing it off, but it's crazy. This draft pot right here is just amazing. Can't see the neighbor's house at all. Barely see the bushes there. Shed, nothing special. Just a frozen landscape. Alright, it's 10:15. Snow has stopped. Everyone's clearing it off. There's just a huge amount of snow. It's just outrageous. It's up to his waist. It's up to my knee. Then my dad told me, take a look on the other side of the car. Oh my God. Look at that. That is just... Oh my God. I guess my brother's car was completely covered with snow. This is just... I don't know what we're gonna do with it all. This is... Wow. Just take a look at this. That was a good 20 inches of snow. Alright, here's the backyard. Our fireplace is no more. This is up to my thigh. It's crazy. This alone is a good foot right here. Check this out. My brother's car. My mom could not find my brother's car. It went from the tip of this all the way to the house and throughout my entire brother's car. There's probably a dent in it somewhere. But this is up to my chest. This is just to prove that there's nowhere to put all of this. Absolutely nowhere. Alright, so I finished the driveway. It's all done now. Got it all cleaned off. Cars were running. We got them in and out.